Hello everyone. I really want to give a big shout out to Selldone. So it's been 2 years now. I'm using this platform. If you're a aspiring e-commerce entrepreneur, then this is the platform you must explore. Like 2 years before, I was building my shop for to sell my supplement products and acupuncture items, for my healing niche. So that time I come to know about the Selldone. Okay, so here there are a lot of features like it's not only you can run your own e-commerce site, but also you can launch your own marketplace like Flipkart or Amazon. Like you can connect the sellers as well as the customers both. Like how Amazon is not selling any product, maybe it's selling some products, but most of the products are he connecting the sellers and the customers, right? And he takes some percentage. Same way you can also launch your own website where you can connect with lot of vendors, different vendors, and you can bring those products to the consumers. So you can make some commission. At the same time you can expand the business for all the offline business owners, small local shops business. You can help with your marketplace. So only way to launch is through the Selldone. Let me share how my Selldone looks like. See, this is their website, Selldoner website. Like you can go. There are a lot of features here. If you go here, e-commerce builder, you can build the community also within your website itself, e-commerce site itself, so that you can nurture them and you can sell multiple products one by one, right? By adding more value. There are other hostings and landing page, but today I want to talk mostly about e-commerce builder. So if you go to the e-commerce builder, you can see all the features here. How does this works? And it's very flexible, mobile friendly as well. This is more responsive in the mobile as well as the site. Okay, see, let me show one of my site. No, see, this is one of my site. Okay, so if you go to see, these are the supplements products. So you can go and you can do add to cart first. If you are a newbie, you have to log in, then you can add the product. And it works best in India, like because they provide razor pay payment gateway. So you can connect your own payment gateway and you can sell multiple products. At the same time you can deliver easily with the ship rocket. Actually when I joined that time, ship rocket was not there, but India is more preferred delivery partner, right? Ship rocket, because they come and pick the product from your home and they deliver to your customer. So you don't want to worry about any logistics, refunds, and returns and all. They take care of everything. All the tracking will be available with the ship rocket. So I requested Selldone founder. They immediately they helped me to launch this ship rocket integration as well. So India it works better. Okay, so you can launch your courses, or physical products, anything it can be done. So I have a different categories, acupuncture products and supplements. There are a lot of categories I can create like this is my own site that just sample I'm sharing with you. So what happens in the back end, if I click here and say here's the dashboard, I'm already logged in. Here's the dashboard. So I'm in the enterprise plan. You can start with free. Okay, so enterprise plan has a lot of features, but you can start with the free. Then you can, if you want, you can upgrade also. See, and you can set up the business. You can add multiple products here. Shipping only we can connect the ship rocket or whatever delivery partners is available here. You can connect with them, or you can do the cash on delivery, or you can do your own delivery also. Okay, if you are just helping customers within your area, you can deliver, right? So that you can do, and you can add your own domain and connecting payment. Like Stripe is there for globally. For India you can use a Razorpay as well. Also we have a cash payment or cash on delivery, and most preferably we have a POS also, point of sale machine. Like if you have a physical business, then you can sell the product and you can make the payment in the mobile phone or the laptop, so that you can track the inventory and how much products you sold and how much money you made every day. Everything can be tracked very easily. and I want to talk about the business. Let me check. See, here is a business model. So if you want to change the business model, you can click here and you can change the business model. For example, this is a normal store, right? Normal store, same like how do you run any e-commerce store, okay? Or if you want, you can go for the marketplace. This is the place I was talking about, like Amazon and Flipkart. You can connect the vendors as well as the consumers, so you will work as a kind of intermediate, like you can make a commissions from the sales whatever happening, okay? And by at the same time, because for the vendors, there are a lot of popular vendors, the different products, so people be will be attracted to get these products, am I right? And the same way, you can launch your own products also by looking at the page and what they want, what the demand is there. So you can launch your own products also by launching your marketplace. That's how the Amazon is doing. They have their own brand also, no? They also selling their own brands as well. So same way you can do that as well. And see, drop shipping also is there, so that you don't need to create any product. Okay, you can connect. Vendors like Alibaba, and you can make the sale and you ask the vendor to deliver there. So you don't to manage any stocks and everything. So anywhere in the world you can make the sale and you can get it delivered. Or franchise or affiliate, we can do marketplace. I already told. If you are a drop shipping supplier, you have a lot of stocks with you. If you want others to get your product and get it delivered, okay, you can do this as well. So sky is the limit. There are a lot of opportunities there when you use this Selldone product. So I want you to create your free account, okay? You go to selldone.com, okay, and you create your free account and explore how it can be successful, and when you make the business, then you can upgrade as well, okay? I hope this video useful for you, and let me know in the comments if you like this product, and if you have any queries or doubts, you just let me know in the comments, okay? So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.